Hey guys, I got sent over a folding wagon cart from Raynesys. It says it'll carry 220 pounds. My concern is, how big are the wheels? What is the dimensions of this thing for real? We're gonna get it opened up, set up, and then we're gonna measure it, and then we're gonna try it out. Okay, we have 3 wheels right there on the top. Have our assembly instructions. The 4th wheel is right here inside there. I guess they do that to make everything fit in the box correctly. Has little Velcro straps right here. And a cover to go around it. And just go through these little loops right here, through them rings. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over and put the wheels on it. Okay, one of the things I just noticed, 2 of them have a round shaft and 2 of them have the square shaft. Squares will go in the square holes right here. Round ones will go in the round ones up here. Just push it down until it snaps in there. I have to give it a little assistance to get it snapped in good. Open it up. Oh, I like that. Has a spring handle. Look at that. If you're pulling it and you accidentally drop the handle, you ain't got to worry about it going down. It'll pop right back up into place. That's pretty cool. Speaking of the handle, it is extendable. Push a little release right here. You can see that right there. And that will extend it and it'll lock into place. Then it has a red button up here in the handle. You can see that. You just push that down and it will extend on out even further. Get this opened up, you'll just kind of pull it apart. And then the center, right here, you can push that down. If you've ever put together a playpen, basically the same thing. Then that cover that covered the outside, drop that down in here. That gives the bottom support. Those straps out of the way there. You can go in there, right down in here. It does have a pocket inside here with a zipper for storage. Have a little storage right there. Okay, we was talking about dimensions and the wheel sizes. We're going to measure the wheel sizes. Maybe you should be able to see that really good now. Wheel is about 5 inches, so 5-inch wheels. This cover covers the entire bottom. So let's measure that. Bottom piece is 24.5 inches long by 15.5 inches wide. So 24.5 by 15.5. From bar to bar is 16 inches in width, and the length from the outside to the outside of the bar is 28 and a quarter. That's not a bad size wagon. It's not huge, but it's also smaller than a lot of your bigger wagons. So that is an advantage. Something else I just noticed, let me show you. Around here on the front, you have another pocket right here. So that's kind of nice. I'm just kind of curious as to how long this handle is when it is fully extended. So let's find out. We're just going to go from the main attachment right here where it attaches to the split. That is about 24 inches. Plus, with this swiveling like that, that will help turn the wagon a little easier. Has a little catch right there. That's when you push that red button in, that pushes that pin in right there. That's a little stiff, but it is new. So there you go. Now if you do find for some reason you need to take this off the frame, you can just undo these, slide that up, undo the Velcro strap right here, and you'll be able to take it off. in the center where that is hooked up, right here, that's where you pull it up to close it. I don't know really why you would need to take this off, but if you do find a reason, there you go. That's how easy that is to do. Another thing about this is you can lower these sides, so if you are needing to put something in here that's heavy, you don't want to have to lift it up over it. You can just undo these straps right here and unzip it like that. Then you'll be able to set something in there that's too heavy to lift up over the side, or if you're putting like a dog or something in there, it can just step up in there. And remember, this goes in here like that. And there you go. You can see inside there now. Zip it back up. Right here, if you'll notice, there's little red buttons. There's one on both sides here. And you notice the wheel won't come out. Just squeeze that, and the wheel will come loose. That's how you take that apart. And where I would use this is carrying my battery. I have a smart battery that I have to charge, and if I had to lift it up over the side, it would be a little more difficult. So I can just lower that side and just take my battery and set it right there. Put my tackle box in there and my rod and reel. Get that put in there too. And when you get back, remove the inside part there, lift up on the handle, and it will just collapse. Push it up together. And if you want to take the wheels off, like I said, you can just squeeze those little red buttons and the wheels will just pop right off. You can leave them on there, just leave them on there. Take this, slide it around like that. Pull up the sides. Run the strap through the little hooks. Cinch it up tight. Flip it over and voila, there you go. Nothing to it. Like I said, it's a lot like a playpen if you've got any experience with a playpen for babies. And there you go, ready to put it up until I need it next time. I definitely like this. This is going to be nice. It's really nice when you have a little bit of a ways to get to your vehicle or to your campsite or whatever the situation calls for. It's a lot better than making 2 or 3 trips. You can also use this if you're into the gig work and do delivery, like food delivery, groceries and things like that. You can put cases of water in here, those big boxes of printing paper. It'll make it a lot nicer. Definitely a keeper. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.